I really like the way this turned out. So this is the painting from yesterday. Today is day 4 of the 30 paintings in 30 days. We're going to cover the base with this yellow. I'm going to torch it and gotta get used to my torch. Just getting all those bubbles out. And we want to, I don't know why that yellow would have any clumps in it. That's weird. So I'm just going to let those clumps run off. I probably should have just poured it into a cup before I poured it on the canvas, so at least I could stir it and mix it. Just one thing about basically the base of the canvas to be covered. Making sure that I get all my sides. So we're gonna start with the blue. Come in with some white. That squares out more than I anticipated. And this purple is some of the glitter paint that I had left over from yesterday, so I hope those clobs of glitter don't get stuck in the thing. It's not squeezing out, so I'm gonna try it this way. And now my bottles are working for me. I ain't blow dryer. So I love what the cells are doing. I'm not getting as much white as I want. Ooh. I think I'm doing it the wrong way. I kind of like it. It's definitely different. I love all the cells that I'm getting. I do see that the yellow did not drip all the way over to the sides of the canvas, but that's an easy fix. Now this technique is much better on a larger canvas, but I like it. I'm wondering if I should tilt, if I want to tilt, or if tilting is going to mess it up. I think I'm going to tilt it a little because that's a lot of paint sitting on top. But I love the cells. The cells are definitely, I'm feeling like I should not have tilted it. I liked it better before I tilted it, but it's okay. But anyways, all right, that's painting 4 of 30 complete. We got it done. So what do you think? Is this a pass or a fail? All right, come back tomorrow and see how it dries down. Make sure to like and subscribe so that you see all 30 paintings. I still love the cells though. I lost the close-up right after the pour, but this is only a few hours after the pour and it is gorgeous. I love this part right here.